Hello everybody, how are you? I am scientist engineer Muhammad Abul Fazol. I will discuss about coronavirus COVID-19. Abstract: coronavirus is one kind of affected new disease in the world. The disease is affected by coronavirus patients or by attacked environments. We have to protect this disease by some system. We have to eat high protein foods and vitamin C foods daily for protecting new coronavirus. We have to drink plenty of pure water every day. We have to drink hot lemon tea 4 to 5 times or hot water high lemon uh, with lemon and little salt. We have to make society distance for protecting coronavirus COVID-19. We have to make neat and clean our environments for protecting coronavirus COVID-19. We have to make home quarantine and hospital isolation system in the world. It is the best system for protecting coronavirus. Our body has not got coronavirus. Our body has taken inflammation from attacked people. Inflammation and infection is created by coronavirus COVID-19. If we can protect inflammation and infection by take care, increasing immunity system, energy of our body and awareness of our body health. A person who has the best immunity system of his body, he will not attacked by inflammation or infection or coronavirus easily. A person who has no good community system of his body, he can attack to become by inflammation or infection or coronavirus easily. So everybody has to eat high protein foods and different foods for increasing our body immunity system. Necessary SEO keywords are coronavirus, abstract symptoms, home quarantine, hospital isolation, important action, solution, future plan, conclusion, biography. Home quarantine. Quarantine is the best system for protecting coronavirus. Quarantine place will become neat and clean. Every hospital will stay quarantine unit. Quarantine place will stay good toilet, good washroom with neat and clean. Quarantine place will not come any patients. Quarantine place will make society and family distance. Hospital isolation. Hospital isolation is a place where will stay coronavirus patient. Isolation hospital will stay good washroom, good toilet with neat and clean. It will stay test kit, marks, PPI, vitamin C tablet, vitamin C foods, pure drinking water, lemon, salt, and necessary medicine. Here will stay many rooms for coronavirus patients. One room will not stay more than two patients. One room will stay two toilet and two washroom. Nurse, doctor and staff will stay separate washroom, separate room, separate toilet, separate canteen and separate bed for rest. Important action: home quarantine, digital isolation hospital at every city corporation, digital isolation unit at every Bozilla hospital, every medical college and every Sodar hospital. Every medical college, Upazila hospital, Sodar hospital will stay at test kit, marks, PPI, necessary medicine, vitamin C tablet, vitamin C foods, etc. Every hospital will stay separate section for every unit such as doctor, nurse, doctor, assistant, reception, outdoor, indoor, toilet, washroom, canteen, etc. Digital hospital will stay quarantine and isolation section. Every unit will become neat and clean. Solution. Solution is the best important point. of this system. Coronavirus patient will eat uh, high protein foods and vitamin C tablet or vitamin C foods. He will eat hot lemon tea 4 to 5 times daily. He will eat hot water with lemon and little salt 4 to 5 times daily. He will wear neat and clean clothes. He will work sometimes every morning and every day, evening time every day. He will eat timely his breakfast, lunch and dinner. He will get up early from bed and go to bed early. He will not smoke. We have to make digital 1 meter seat distance bus, train, motor, airline, every office, mosque, temple, hostel, school, college, university, bank, bazaar, market, shopping center, etc. We have to make online business system for every office. Every employee will not go to office. Some employee will go to office for important works. Every employee will work from home remotely. Some company will do regular office such as garments, fourth class employee, etc. We list a 1 meter distance system. If we will obey our 1 meter distance system, so we will not need masks. Our education system has no primary treatment system subject for students. There are 70 to 80% people has no primary knowledge treatment knowledge in the world. We have to make primary treatment one subject for every level students. Future plan, we will make vaccine for destroying coronavirus. We will make antibiotic for destroying coronavirus. We will make good medicine with reasonable price for destroying coronavirus. We will make apps, software protecting device, etc. Conclusion: coronavirus is one kind of new affected disease in the world. Coronavirus patient will relieve by eating high protein foods, hot lemon tea, hot pure water with little salt, vitamin C tablet or vitamin C foods, working sometimes every morning and every evening times daily. I hope that every normal coronavirus patients will relive by this immunity energy power increasing system. We will give support 24 by 7 hours a time in every day in the world. Thank you very much everybody for showing my video. Please like my video and comments for if you